It's my privilege to recognize Dr. Gregory Lewis as one of our 2010 Foundation Award recipients. Dr. Lewis is being recognized for his 20-plus years of leadership for our Provena St. Joseph Medical Center Charity Golf Classic, during which time Dr. Lewis has helped raise over $1.5 million for needed programs at the medical center. Dr. Lewis completed his medical school training in 1977 from Loyola School of Medicine and joined our medical staff following his residency training in 1982. During his 20-plus years at the medical center, he has been recognized for his clinical achievements as well as his major contributions to the community. Dr. Lewis has also been a frequent publisher in a number of clinical journals of urology. He is board certified in both urology as well as surgery. Among his many charitable contributions to our community include his leadership on the Will Grundy Medical Clinic, which is a free clinic serving both the Will and Grundy counties for those patients who do not have the means to pay for their health care or indigent and uninsured populations. Dr. Lewis lives in Morris with his wife Lynette and has 2 grown sons, and in his spare time Dr. Lewis, as everyone knows, is very energetic and very committed to his own personal level of fitness, has recently become certified at level 3 for a spinning instructor. And one of the things that I have been able to learn from my association with Dr. Lewis is he does represent the very best of our medical community, is a wonderful ambassador to all of Will County, and is one of the major reasons why I think we're positioned for greatness as we look to the future. Congratulations, Dr. Lewis, for everything that you've done on behalf of Provena St. Joseph Medical Center. I can't think of a more deserving recipient than you.
I've known Dr. Lewis since 1979 when he came to Joliet. I've been very privileged, very fortunate to be part of Advanced Urology Associates since 1982. At that time, when I joined the practice, it was 2 physicians in 1 single location. We have now grown to 8 physicians, 1 physician assistant, 54 very dedicated staff members, and 4 office locations.
The compassion and understanding that this remarkable man gives to his patients and their significant others is beyond description. He is sincere, articulate, so very bright, and so extremely kind. He treats and cares for you as if you are family. From time to time, my siblings will call and suggest we go to Chicago or come out to Los Angeles or Mobile, Alabama for treatment. And my retort is always the same. Why would I travel when 2 blocks from home I have the very best?
When I was first looking for a job, I was told by the faculty at Loyola that the best of the best is out in Joliet. And I'm thinking, Joliet, I can't believe it. So when I came out here and met Greg and George, I was pretty impressed, and know back then it was pretty impressed to see that they were the first to do a radical cystectomy with a continent diversion in the Joliet-Will County area.
Greg, you're a driven man, and not only do you excel in your profession, but you also are driven in all of the things that you do, even in your leisure time. You and I share the common element that we believe that we never stop learning. Every day is an adventure. Every experience opens us up to other people and to knowledge. Keep learning, my friend, and hopefully the 25 years that we've known each other is simply a midterm in a long relationship.
Dr. Lewis, you've been wonderful to your patients, to the staff, to the hospital. All the things you've done for fundraising for the hospital should be duly recognized as important, even more important than you realize how much you have contributed to us. We thank you. Congratulations on your award, and we're very happy. You certainly deserve it. Thank you, Dr. Lewis.
Our next award recipient for the 2010 Founders Award is J.D. Ross, a very well-respected and deserving community leader. Since September 2006, J.D. has served as Executive Director for the Will Grundy Medical Clinic. Prior to that, J.D. had served as an administrator for Joliet Junior College for over 32 years, eventually reaching the role of President, the sixth such individual in the history of Joliet Junior College. J.D. currently serves in a number of important community leadership roles. As such, he's serving as the chairman of the University of St. Francis and also serving as the vice chairman of Provena St. Joseph Medical Center Foundation. Prior to that, he has had service responsibilities in such varied organizations as the Joliet Historical Museum, the Will County Center for Economic Development, the Joliet Regional Chamber of Commerce, and we can go on and on. Obviously, he is very well known to Joliet and Will County for his leadership roles. In addition to that, he's also been recognized by Lewis University as a recipient of an honorary doctorate degree. J.D. has also received endowed scholarships in his name at both Joliet Junior College and at the University of St. Francis. J.D. and his wife, Helen, live in Joliet and are the proud parents of 2 grown children. In summary, J.D. is very well respected and certainly a very deserving recipient for our 2010 Founders Award. Congratulations, J.D.
J.D.'s been key to the museum. J.D. was one of the people who came over from the Joliet Area Historical Society. It transitioned, of course, into the Joliet Area Historical Museum. He still serves today. He served his maximum terms as a board member. He has put his heart into this museum like he does most things that he takes under his belt.
Well, I've known J.D. since the days that he was president of the Joliet Junior College. When I had the honor to be a state senator from the 43rd District representing Joliet Junior College, we got to be involved on a number of issues. When we had the opportunity to make our very first appointee to the Regional Transportation Authority Board, we sought out and looked for individuals that we thought would do a tremendous job for us, and it was an unbelievable success in asking J.D. Ross to be our very first appointee to the board, and he has been a tremendous asset and a good board member.
When you read the qualities that everyone's insisting on and recommending to be a good leader, in the back of my mind, I think of J.D. Ross. J.D. isn't just a member of something, he's a participating member. That's the difference between J.D. and so many other people.
We have been fortunate to have J.D. as our executive director. We take care of the people in the community, and Provena St. Joseph Medical Center is kind enough to offer free services to our patients. It has been a collaborative effort on our part and the part of the medical center, and J.D. has been so instrumental in paving the way for those services to be provided to all of our patients. And again, the community is better off because of that collaboration.
The Will Grundy Medical Clinic has been blessed with great leadership. J.D. Ross confidently, kindly, and skillfully coordinates this long-time community effort with the same heart and dedication as the men and women who opened these doors almost 23 years ago. Before he came to the clinic in 2006, he had earned the respect of the Joliet community, and he continues to earn that respect and admiration and love from his clinic family. We are all lucky to have him around.
Hello, I'm Christy Mulvey, Executive Director of the JJC Foundation. In 1974, J.D. Ross came to Joliet Junior College and served for approximately 32 years. In 1999, he became the 6th president of Joliet Junior College. On behalf of Joliet Junior College, the JJC Foundation, and the JJC Alumni Association, congratulations on receiving the Founders Award, J.D.
Whenever I needed that little bit of hope, I'd pick up the phone and call J.D. and my day was better. So I thank you for that, J.D.
J.D., on behalf of all the staff and all the volunteers at the clinic, we are just so proud of you, and we offer you our congratulations in being chosen for this wonderful award.